Today, I'm going to show you how to take a template from Wix Studio and turn it into a fully customizable personal portfolio, and all within under 30 minutes. So if you're looking to build a quick and amazing modern looking website, this is the place to start. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is a website that I made probably 3 to 4 years ago. This is actually when I made my first or got my first client as a freelance developer. This was after I was laid off during the pandemic from my mid-level front-end developer job. And so I made this website to help me grow my business and find more clients. So let me show you this website really quick. This is a really simple website. This is my first time making this kind of portfolio, but check this out. So there's that little animation with the arrow going down. What is that we do? We redesign websites, right? Upgrade portfolios. We can help people upgrade their portfolios. Custom web applications, you name it. Why work with us? And then we even have the services section. But to be honest, there's really nothing there. Right now in a portfolio section, these are clients I've had from a long time ago. Okay, I don't work with them anymore, but this is my portfolio section that shows what I've actually done in the past. So I help if it's nonprofit, this Cedar Oak Farm page, you name it. These are really old clients that I don't work with anymore. But I like look at my about page, you'll see how old this is. This is when I was living in a hotel room, right? So this is literally after I was laid off. I was living in a hotel room at this time and developed a brand new shirt that I used to sell. And these are people who used to work for me, don't work for me anymore. Carmi was a designer. Emmanuel was a front-end developer who helped me code some stuff. And then my executive assistant, Glenda, who is now my wife. But yeah, so as you can tell, this is a very old website. And what I want to do is make a much better website using Wix Studio, make it similar to this in a way, but look more modern and much more professional. And I'll be using ChatGPT to help me create some content for this too. So now, how are we going to do this? So we're going to do this by creating our own portfolio website from scratch, not necessarily from scratch, but using an existing wireframe and moving it around to make it look like what we want to look like. So I like as you see here, there's a lot of different templates we can use under the wireframe section. For me in particular, I'm going to use the multi-purpose wireframe. So let's just take a look. Let's see what this looks like really quick. So this is the template that we will be using. And of course, I'm not going to use everything on here. I'm going to delete quite a few stuff. Like, for example, I don't need a footer. I'm going to delete that because if people are on my website, they know who I am. I'm just going to have my socials on here. I'm going to have a section, not for press, but this, to be honest, let's see. This would probably be used for like my current clients, right, that I've worked with, and multiple services that I offer. And I like that this is super simple. And to be honest, I know this goes to other pages, but this, my goal, I'll probably have a service page, probably, but my goal is to only have a single page website. No, this is a single page website. Okay. I thought this was like going to different pages. Like, oh, it goes to about takes you to a different page. So we'll make sure we delete that for sure. So I'm going to close this tab, right? And this is the example we'll be working with. And I'm going to click edit. All right. So let's go ahead and let's do this. I'm really excited to actually do this. Now, as someone who has 8 years of experience in tech, 4 years in DevRel, and the first 4 as a front-end software engineer, what I love about using Wix Studio to build this website, like for example, when we built this was all in React. The animations alone was freaking difficult. This is all in React. I, had to custom code all of this. Now Wix Studio, I actually don't have to do that, but I still have the ability to write custom CSS, custom JavaScript, and at the same time, this makes pretty much almost everything mobile friendly as well, much easier. We look at mobile here. I think this is a tablet. Yep, iPad. Mobile friendly, and it just works. So we'll see how this looks. And by the way, if you have experience as a front-end developer, you'll know how hard it is to actually build a website from scratch, especially making it mobile friendly. That is the hardest part from my experience, making everything mobile friendly, from ultra wide monitor to regular monitor to an iPad to an iPhone, right? You name it, Android, Safari, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, you name it, right? And so that's why I love using this. And we're going to use this to go ahead and build a website. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and delete some stuff. Oh, by the way, I want to make sure I enable dev mode. So to enable dev mode, is this large enough? 110%, that works. To enable dev mode, you go ahead and click here and click code and start coding. And what's cool about dev mode here is I have the ability to write custom code, right? Let's say, for example, I want to do something with this section. And by the way, you can see the ID here, box 16. Let's say I want to do something with this and I want to add a custom CSS class. While this is selected down here, I need to add a global CSS file down here. So as you can tell, I created a class called hero container. And let's say I want to target this. Let's put it down here on line 2. But I'm going to target the hero container. All right, let's say if we want to make that background color red, just to see if it actually works. All right, and I click Command S. I'm not sure if that actually works, but as you can tell, I'm able to change the color. So I'm able to do custom CSS, which is really cool. So we're gonna worry about that part later. But first, and by the way, you can do custom JavaScript as well. But first, I want to delete some stuff that I don't need. Okay, so number 1, this about page. I'm gonna remove that. So manage menu. Oh, right here, the about page. Let's remove that. Remove from menu. I wish I can just like kind of hide it for now. And by the way, this is too long. We'll fix that later. Now that this works, I want to change the background color. So if you look at this, it's already a custom gradient, which I think looks cool, but I kind of like it dark. Again, my goal is to make it look kind of like this. Maybe not that much black though. We're gonna make it like maybe some video. So let's go ahead and let's look at it for something in particular. What's in categories? Black and white. I like that. What can I use? Ooh, fragmented darkness. So we'll use this instead. Change the background. Nice. Okay, so we need to change the text color here as well. But if I click play, you'll see that this actually plays in the background. And I think that looks pretty nice. Okay, so obviously this is a little bit too dark. So let's go ahead and change the colors to white first. Let's do that. So the way you do that is you click on this. Click on this top section. I'm gonna change this to white, and that works. And same with this. Oops. Right here, change that to white. Now, one thing that was hard for me when I made this original website as well, so I know it's super random, is that I had such a hard time writing the copy for this. That's why there's like almost no copy on here, because I suck at writing copy. So I actually did something with ChatGPT that I want to show you. And so what I actually did here with ChatGPT, I went to here and I viewed the page, and what I did is actually did Command P, say this is a PDF onto my downloads folder, and then I uploaded that PDF to ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to help me create copy for my website. What questions do you need to answer to create the copy for this? And then ask me a bunch of questions, and of course I gave the answer down below. And in results, it created copy for me. So let's check this out. We see the homepage tagline, code, create, live, just like here, right? And the about us, who we are, mission, our services, and etc. So this helped out a lot, where someone like me who isn't the best at writing, I'm very comfortable speaking, now I'm able to create copy so much more easily when it comes to this, right? So now that we have that, I already know what to do for the homepage. This is actually the hero section. So let's go back here. All right. I'm going to do this, code, create, live, and then go back to ChatGPT. I don't like this. Welcome to DB Creative. I like this. I help companies grow their brands, do compelling, high quality content. So that's also what I do. I do a lot of DevRel actually for freelancing. And it's surprising how much it pays too. Way better than actually development right now, at least for right now. That can change any day. But okay, so here we go. Now, one thing that's missing is, of course, my logo, right? So let's go ahead and let's change that. I'm gonna just delete all this. Okay, so now let's add a logo. I can't believe I forgot to actually add that there. That's so funny. So quick add image. Of course, I don't like the image. Let's choose a different image. I'm gonna upload something from my computer, unless I have it saved here. So I actually got this logo. I don't have the actual assets list anymore. I got the logo from here. Okay, so we'll use that. Boom. It's a little blurry because it's so big. It's not meant to be that big. And then have the logo right there. Look how easy that is. For everyone who has written custom code, it is hard to do this. No, well, not anymore. If you're using like Bootstrap or if you're using like some CSS library, it's much easier. But anyway, let's get back to this. So that looks great. Now I want to change the color of these. But one thing I can't do on the menu for some reason is actually change the color here. So that's when you result to custom CSS, right? So we'll go back here. When you select this section on the left, like for example, if I want to select a different section, it just selects button 6 selects that. This selects that section. I want to add some custom CSS and I'll add it to this right here. So it shows you the classes that are correlated with this area. So it's already targeting that section for me here. I'm gonna add some custom CSS color, white. There you go, and that works. Now I don't like this contact button, so I'm just gonna delete that. Yeah, there you go. That works. I like this a lot. Okay, I feel like this should actually go in the middle. Let's move this in the middle. That works for me too, to be honest. I actually like that. Okay, cool. So we have that. I'm gonna make this bold. There you go. And also I don't need any of this here. Oops. Boom. So this is my hero section and I don't want it to actually take up the whole screen. So let's bring this up. So this is my hero section. Now, the difference here though, I want to align this to the left. So as I select this, I'm gonna align this to the left. No, my bad. Kind of be here on the side. This works for me though. No. Yeah, this aligns to the left. All right, I'm just gonna fix this a little bit. I think this works, keeping it there like that. Yeah, that works for me. Okay, so now this says co-create live, and of course on the actual website it'll be playing this video. Super simple, but you know this works for me. Any different fonts I might use, I might make it a little bolder like that. There you go, that works. Okay, so here's the hero section. Now, by the way, because I have all of the copy written in ChatGPT, here's the about us section. So I have all the copy already filled out. So you can do that with ChatGPT on your end. You can use that for free account. DB Creative was founded by Chris Sean, self-taught developer with an incredible journey from living in his car to becoming a software engineer in just 3 months. And with over 8 years of tech experience, for as a software engineer and for in DevRel, Chris brings deep industry knowledge and a proven track record in content creation, including growing a YouTube channel to 160,000 subscribers. So this, by the way, this is my DevRel agency website that I'm making. All right, cool. And we don't need to read more page here. I don't like that at all. And I really feel like this is not necessary on the right side. So delete that. Again, I want to keep this simple. Or should I put a picture of me here? You know what? Why not? Add a media. Let's do this again. That works. This will be interesting. I think that works. Boom. That works for now. Now let's do our services. So as you can tell, like this video might be a little longer than expected, mainly because I'm just like talking a lot. But let's go ahead and let's do this. Oh, right here. Boom. Why choose DB Creative? And I do want the more bold version. Why choose DBC? And by the way, I'm going to change this background color here to 1F1F. Yeah. Obviously, this needs to be fixed. White. Boom. Boom. This is so much easier than, I love this so much because this is so much easier than like writing custom CSS. So much easier. Okay, so I don't have the copy here yet. So let's go ahead and paste that here. I don't just create content, I create impact. With professional grade video equipment, meticulous editing, and years of content growth experience, I ensure your brand shines. My videos consistently attract high views and engagement, turning viewers into loyal followers and leads, because that's what companies want, leads. That's why they come to me, because I can help them find those leads through creating content, right? So as you can tell, this is pretty cool. And now we offer different services here. So I don't have a lot. I'm just going to do 2 just to make this a little easier right now. So social media management is number 1. Let's move this a little closer. So service title. Ooh, I like that. ChatGPT creates the content for you. Like, I absolutely love this. Like, you guys have no idea. Boom. Social media management. That looks great. Oh my gosh. Okay, number 2. Boom. Paste this in here. I don't like how this is grouped up. Great. All right, so service 3, technical content development. And the copy can go here. Boom. Makes it a little longer. And this, I think, we should add some images here to make this stand out. Okay, so I think this looks great. My social media management, content creation, technical content development as well. Let's add some images here. Oh, create an AI image. Developer making YouTube videos in front of a camera. Cartoon. Oh, this is sick. I do have a bunch of pictures I can use, but if I can use AI images instead, okay, I like this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Click save. Boom. And then technical content development. This is freaking amazing. Create an AI image. So much easier than going to ChatGPT to create this for me, right? Because it fits already. So next, software engineer writing code. Make sure you can see code scribbles on the screen. I spelled that wrong, but if AI is good, it will know what to do. Let's see. Okay, this is sick. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this, dude. Wow. Okay, this looks amazing. Then, can I add something else? Let's do one more with AI. Tiny home with the tiny garage home office startup. Oh, cartoon. Someone writing code. This is so sick. Okay, I think this is good. We'll use this. I like this. It's like black and white, but like with some cartoon stuff to make it feel a little bit more relaxed, not super professional. This is amazing. Okay, cool. Okay, so as you can tell, okay, to be honest, just from the looks of this alone, all right, you know what? Let me just save this. Okay, so let's just compare these websites really quick, okay? Let's compare this website to Developer Branded Creative. This is my DBC website. Super cool, the animations, but it's very boring, to be honest, compared to this. I think this looks better. All right, now we want to do featured projects. Okay, so featured projects, I don't want to show that because some customers don't want me to show their stuff online. So for now, we're just going to hide this section. For now, just for now. Below though, I think what looks great is a section on my current customers. All right, I'm going to put, shouldn't say my clients, should be our clients because there's more than me that works here. Our clients. Nice. And we'll change this to, I like that. Boom. And let's center this. I don't like the spacing here, but that's okay. This works. How do I remove this margin? There you go. But we want a little bit more margin to this. Yeah. There you go. Our clients trusted by leading innovators. Now let's put the images. So I have the images here. We have the copy too. Okay, cool. So I uploaded all the images. I think this looks freaking amazing. Now, one thing though, like if I really wanted to, I'm not gonna do this now. I would have these links to content I've created for them, to marketing content I've made for them, to technical videos I've made for them. But I will just, it's not letting me delete it. Delete. There you go. Yeah. So yeah, I would link all this stuff to like technical content I've made for them or whatever I've done for any of my clients. But as of right now, I'm not going to do that. I want to keep it as simple as possible. I think this looks great. Last but not least, there is the footer, which I personally don't care about. Usually what I would do is I would have my socials up here. So let's actually add that. Add item. Link. Oh, my bad. Web address. In here. Boom. Oh. Oh my. Rename. Contact. There you go. Cool. So this works. Let me just extend this a little bit wider so it actually fits. Boom. And so I really don't like the footer. I mean, I could have my socials on here. I guess that's the nice touch, but I think this is good. So, okay, there you go. So this is my portfolio website. This is the new one. To be honest, y'all, I really like this. Like, I really, really like this. I like how this looks compared to this. Again, there's no copy here because ChatGPT didn't exist when I actually made this, and I really sucked at writing copy. So if I was to compare the two between this and this, 100% this is better. And so there you go. That's a quick and easy way to create your own portfolio website using Wix Studio, using a template that already exists and stands out. And by the way, one thing that I forgot to do on here is have it click play, and that's what it would look like live on the website. So I think that looks sick. I think that looks sick. But anyway, I hope y'all liked the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.